Are you wondering how to make your website responsive? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into responsive web design, a crucial aspect of modern websites. We've all experienced the frustration of using a website that's not optimized for mobile. Tiny text, misplaced images, unreachable buttons. What do you do when you encounter such a site? You leave, right? That's exactly what you don't want happening to your website. So let's explore how to make your site responsive, whether you're building from scratch or updating an existing one. First things first, what exactly is responsive web design? Responsive web design means your website's content perfectly adapts to the screen, regardless of the device used, smartphone, tablet, desktop, or TV. It uses flexible layouts, adaptable images, and media queries to adjust the site's design based on screen size. In simpler terms, responsive web design ensures your site looks good and functions well on any device. Now let's break down why having a responsive website is crucial. First, mobile users dominate the market. According to StatCounter, as of September 2024, mobile phones have a market share of 61% compared to 36% for desktop. This means your design strategy should be mobile first. Start with the smallest screen and work your way up. A responsive design ensures users have an enjoyable experience across all devices. This can lead to higher engagement, longer site visits, and increased conversion rates. 83% of consumers believe a seamless experience across all devices is crucial. 85% think a company's mobile site should be as good or better than its desktop site. Google also notes that 75% of smartphone users expect to get immediate information while using their device. That's why you need a fast mobile site. Search engines like Google favor mobile-friendly websites. A responsive design can improve your site's search engine ranking, making it easier for potential customers to find you online. Moreover, responsive design often leads to faster page load times on mobile devices, which is another important ranking factor. Now let's look at 6 easy tips to check if your website is responsive. First, 1. Resize your browser window to see if the layout adapts. 2. Use browser developer tools like Chrome's DevTools to simulate various device screens. 3. Try online responsive testing tools like Responsinator or Mobile Ready. 4. Test on real devices, smartphones, tablets, and desktops. 5. Check that touch elements like buttons are easily tappable on mobile. 6. Look for CSS breakpoints in your code that apply styles for different screen widths. If you found your site lacking in responsiveness, don't worry. Let's go through the 4 key components of responsive design. 1. Responsive images. Use the src set attribute to serve different image sizes for different devices. 2. Consider touchscreens. Ensure interactive elements work well on mobile devices. 3. CSS breakpoints. These determine how your layout changes at different screen sizes. 4. Fluid grids and layouts. Use relative units like percentages for flexible layout. If you're looking to avoid coding or having to figure out all the details that are needed to make a responsive site, consider using WordPress and one of the many themes that are already built to guarantee responsiveness. Remember, a responsive site also needs to be fast. Fast websites improve engagement with site visitors and rank higher in Google page results, which leads to more traffic and increased conversions. Consider using a WordPress performance plugin like WP Rocket to boost your site speed. WP Rocket is a great choice to boost your site speed, as it is the easiest and most powerful WordPress performance plugin out there. WP Rocket can help save time and effort by implementing caching automatically, optimizing your code, adding lazy loading to images, and a lot more. Being both mobile-friendly and fast is essential for any website. Check out WP Rocket risk-free with a 14-day money-back guarantee. There you have it. You now understand the importance of responsive design, how to check if your site is responsive, and the key components to implementing responsiveness. Remember, in today's mobile-first world, being responsive isn't just nice to have, it's essential for success. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more web design and performance tips.